Alright, Re-Maiden. I'm actually going to call it after this because it's too hot. I brought this towel to wrap around my neck. Hopefully this is a slow flyer and can just do some slow circuits around here and attempt some 3D. More like 3D hovering, nothing special. Get my lanyard on here. Check, right. This grass looks a little thick to actually roll, so I'm gonna do a hand launch. Stability mode. It's got a gyro, so yeah, I don't think I'll launch off of this area. Got some right roll. There we go. Got it playing with the rudder. It's got the shimmies. Try and keep those wings level. More rudder. I think that's the gyro gain. It's a little too high. It's shaking. So it's EPP foam. Pretty strong. You can crash it. Of course, I've crashed this multiple times. Some rudder on the top. Let me do a knife edge. Not here. Not yet. Not yet. Not today. Yeah, I gotta turn down that gyro, I think. Pull it up, pull it up. Let's turn off the gyro. Hey, no gyro here. Alright, let's bring it in and try and do a 3D. Ready, set. There it goes. Get back up there. It's rolling. Gotta keep the power on. Come on, gyro, do your thing. Uh-oh. It's pretty cool. Not bad, I like it. Normal mode, no gyro. The wind's coming left to right now. I think CG is good. Keep that gyro on. Turn down that gyro setting. Let's do one last one and hit it. Come on, aileron, stop rolling. Hands off. See if I can push it closer this way. Less throttle. Try and do a high alpha, maybe. No. Off. Alright, no gyro. Let's try and loop it. That's super fun. Like it. Alright, no gyro. The wind's to my back, sort of. Maybe a little nose heavy. The battery's really already dying. Come in. Gotta go right to left this time. Oh, landing gear just fell off. Funny. Hopefully they hit the propeller.